This video is sponsored by Restaurantware. In it, we are talking about beer glasses, specifically these 20-ounce Imperial pint glasses, right? They're Nonic pint glasses, meaning they have this nice little bulge here, and are probably what most people think of as English pub pint glasses, right? The Imperial in the name refers to the size. They're 20 ounces versus 16, and that great bulge not only makes for a sturdier glass that'll help you prevent chipping on the rim, it also makes them stackable, right? So you can stack them either right side up or upside down in your cabinets, and the bulge makes it easy to unstack. It's also great for grip, right? And it makes for a beautiful display, especially when you're going to put a nice thing like a stout beer in there that's going to have a great little foamy head on it. They're perfect for things like soda or water glasses, along with juice, or even doing something fun like a summer shandy. So whether you have a pub, a restaurant, if you're catering, or if you just want something to spice up the barware at home, these are a really nice touch. They're made from lead-free blown glass. It's tempered to increase their durability, which means you can also run them through the dishwasher. And they're packed so perfectly for shipping, you're going to get them perfect condition with no breakage.